Welcome everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you all to the sixth AEG EUS workshop at Siag. We'll start our program with the recitation of Holy Quran. Our international faculty is just here, but let's start in an attempt to save the time.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Noble Zakaria. I'm part of the team in Siag, and it's wonderful to meet you all again. And hello to everybody I've never met before. So I hope you have a wonderful time in this course. As you might be familiar with from prior workshops, this is one of those unique workshops where you will be getting hands-on experience. We're going to try our best to facilitate a very smooth running of the program. There might be some alterations in the timing and the schedule of the workshops depending on what's feasible for the faculty and for the candidates and obviously for the patients. But we'll make sure that you get the most out of this workshop. In a few short minutes, the faculty will be joining us, and they'll be able to brief you better about how we're going to be going about this program. And in the meantime, I would love for you all to mentally make a note or even write it down. What is your main objective from this workshop? What are you expecting this workshop to broadly provide for you? And another would be the aim. What do you personally aim to achieve from these workshops? So as in, if you're doing a case, where do you find is the main area of discussion or problem or conflict that you're facing? And again, we would love to hear your take on this as well. So as soon as we're joined by the faculty, inshallah, we'll be beginning. Yes, there's a bit of a traffic jam in Sadr today. Thank you.